Okay, somehow I think my kids they must have dropped some spilled some oil in here, and after a while, the element is all messed up here. You know, it's all crooked, and this part just came like came off. Some kind of decay or something, but I think it was burnt a little bit. So um, if you open the stove top, right? If you open the stove top, it looks something like this. See that? It's all burnt up, and So today I'm gonna try to fix that, and take you guys along with me. Okay. So this is something that you could fix yourself. Okay. But before anything goes, you gotta make sure your plug is taken off. Okay. Safety is always first. So I went to Home Depot and bought that part right there. See this part right there. Yeah, I went and bought that part. That's this right here. Okay, so I'm gonna cut those right there and join these two right here. And this is called it's called let me see. It's called a universal electric range receptor. Okay. All right. So I think this one is about $9, and then we're gonna replace the top. Yeah, the heating element. Okay, and this thing from Home Depot cost me about $34. Okay, so we're gonna replace all this. Okay, and mm, see how it goes. Okay, but make sure you guys take the cords out. Okay, from the outlet. Okay, safety is always the first thing that we want to do. Okay. Okay, this part that I'm gonna be taking out right here is this part right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna take this screw right here out, and I'm gonna put this one in that came with the packet. Okay, the packet came in with that and a different screw. So we're gonna have to take the old one out, put the new one in. Okay. Okay. So this is something you guys can do at home. You don't have to worry too much. They always have parts that you can always do yourself project. There's kits and stuff like that. So the old one looks like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the new one on. Okay, so the new one looks like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go right here. Okay, so I'm gonna use the screw that they gave me, and we'll just screw the new parts in there. Okay. Mhm. Yep. Make sure it's nice and tight, not too tight. Okay, so just steady. So I'm gonna cut the old wires to the old one. Okay. So I'm gonna cut these two right here, and then I'm gonna connect it to the two new ones. But before you guys do everything, just make sure safety is always important. So take out the plug from the electric socket. Okay. Okay. Get your two wires here. I'm gonna strip these. Okay, so once you get these two cut, you're gonna they already cut the ones that you buy from Home Depot. They already have it cut like this already. So all you need is pull it out and combine them, okay, with these. It came with the package, okay. So yeah, just combine them, okay, just like I did the first one. Okay, you need to twist them a little bit and put the cap on, okay. This thing will connect them, okay. And just keep turning until they're tight. Okay. Okay, we're good. You just hide your wires on the side, okay? That's how they do it. Okay, so once you get the wires together, put these two together and put this clip back on them so you can hold the two wires together. Okay? And mostly they just hide it on the side of the stove like this. Okay? Now you take out these the heating element. Okay? Element here, you know, this is the old, this is the new one, and so this is the old one, okay, it's all crooked and everything, okay, and this is the new one, okay. So okay, so once you get this assembled and your wires and everything connected, you need to put this pan back on, okay, and line it up. And then all you have to do is plug that right here in there, okay? Okay, make sure you clip it in there. Okay, so once it's in there, it's all set. Make sure these are lined up right here. Make sure you fix in there so it doesn't move, okay? Once it's in there, you're all set. It's very stable, okay? So now we're gonna close the stove top here and then see, we're gonna plug it in and test it out, okay? Okay, so this is the one that we just fixed, okay? After everything's, connected and stuff like that, plug the cord in, the power cord in, and we're gonna turn it on, okay? And let's see if it's line up, okay? So give it a couple minutes, okay? Let's see if it light up. Okay, I can feel the heat coming on right now. So once this thing goes red, we're good. Okay, you guys, it's getting red and the fire is good. So this concludes on our video for today. Thank you for coming by and please subscribe.